to address them and to inform them that their actions and their continuous sitting in defiance of the Supreme Court ruling delivered by the full bench and properly interpreted by the Justice Chamber are illegal. Their persistent disregard for the highest code of our land endangers the survivability of our country. It undermines our governance system and threatens both national and international confidence in our institutions. This continued defiance put us at risk and the integrity of our democracy and the stability of our economy and the trust of the Liberian people and our international partners. We call on our colleagues to respect the decision of the Supreme Court and to work with us towards a resolution that is consistent with the rule of law. As of today, we are resolved that we no longer sit under their leadership as the court has declared their actions unlawful. Instead, we will continue to work with Speaker Kofa and convene with him as necessary in accordance with Article 33 of the Constitution, which allows us to meet and adjourn in the absence of a quorum. We will maintain this position until our colleague recognizes the authority of the Supreme Court and until the executive ceases its support for their unconstitutional actions. Further, we call on the Senate to honor and respect the Constitution by ceasing all business with this body that has been declared illegal by the Supreme Court. We also urge the international community, including ECOWAS, the AU, the EU, the United Nations, and the government of the United States to refrain from engaging with them. The ongoing crisis at the House of Representatives is not merely a political dispute. It is a direct challenge to the foundation of our democracy and the rule of law. A nation that does not respect its Supreme Court risks descending into lawlessness and instability. We will not stand by idly as the democratic principles that govern us are disregarded for personal and political gains. We reaffirm our commitment to peace and to upholding the rule of law. We will not be intimidated or we will not surrender to any group seeking to hijack our democracy. The Liberian people deserve better and will remain steadfast in ensuring that justice, democracy, and constitutional governance prevail. This is a statement of the Rule of Law Caucus. Thank you.